Thought I'd show you the final setup of the 550C. As previous videos, you'll see that I've put a complete case and bullet feeder, which were supplied by Roberts. The actual feeder that goes into the case was both DAA, and they work in conjunction with each other. Pretty simple to set up. A couple of Bunnings poles or any hardware poles. The other side is got a little kink so it can line up properly. Got a little 14mm tube that goes into the fitting over here. I've set it up for 9mm at the moment. I've got the powder alarm there as well. The endoscope, which is my powder check. I'm just going to put another little screen here. I've got the one on the back wall there, but it's a little hard to get to. Well, you can see it, but I just want to make it more visible at the front here. Now, when I'm reloading 9mm, what do I keep an eye on? The very first thing through here, I can see that the projectile is upright and it's not going to jam up into the seating die. As I come up, I make sure that I see that a case has fallen through and nothing's jammed up in here. This is all working well, so that's worked well. I did hear the bullet feeder turn before. That's another thing I keep an ear out for, to make sure that that's still loading up in here. As I see, I'll turn that. You'll see that's all fully loaded. You'll also notice up here I've got a couple of mirrors, so I don't have to guess about how many cases and how many projectiles I've got left. I just bought them from Amazon, and it just makes it easier just to keep a track of what's going on there. That's pretty much it. Now, when I come back down, the very first thing, I make sure I've put my primer in, and my eye will go to see that I have got powder there and that a projectile has dropped. When I go across to there, then my eye will come back over here. That's pretty much straight enough, but I'll make sure that that's not dropped over and that it's not going to jam up, as we said before. Hope you enjoy the setup. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask away.